Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow calls and notifications from people or apps while you are in focus mode or do not disturb is turned on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen you want to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on focus. In focus, tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, if you would like to add people to the list so that they can call you or send you notifications, then tap on People. In here, in the Allowed People list, tap on Add People. And in the Contacts list, select anyone that you want to allow. So you can select multiple contacts. And one more. Okay, so we're going to tap on Done. So here I have added 3 people into the list, and these 3 people will be able to call me or send me messages while I'm in focus mode or when Do Not Disturb is turned on. Now you can also allow apps to send you notifications. So tap on Add App and then go down the list here. You can select one or multiple apps and then tap on Done. So these apps here in the Allow Apps list will be able to send you notifications. And that's it. You can also choose to allow or not allow time sensitive apps to send you notifications down here as well. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.